Hey guys, I just built my first PC, so I wanted to share it with you. Because I'll be starting a gaming channel soon, so I thought I should show my setup first. So to start off, I got this DIY PC case for pretty cheap. I was on a budget, and actually a lot of the stuff was on sale from Newegg. So that's where I got almost everything from. But to start off, we have the DIY PC case. It has 3 fans built in with LEDs. And I really like the color. Inside, sorry, get to focus here. Maybe not. So I got the ASRock Z170 Pro 4 for the motherboard. It came in a combo deal, and it's not the greatest, but it's not bad. I like it. It's done well. Then we have the Gigabyte 1070 graphics card, so that one do pretty much anything I want. It's not the 1080, but it's pretty good. This is my first build, so it's not bad. And then for memory, we have the 16 gigs of RAM, 2 sticks of 8 inside there. Sorry for my cable management, it's not the best. And for the power supply, there is a Corsair, I think 600 watts, 6 something, I don't know, 600 watt I think. And for storage, we have a 480 gig SSD and then a 1 terabyte blue, I think it is, storage. So that's about it for the actual. And then my CPU cooler is just the one that came with the Intel i5 6500, I believe. I could have got the i7, but I just went with the i5 because I think it's done everything so far pretty great. So that's about it for the computer itself. Moving on to everything else. I really like Razer stuff. Originally I got the Corsair K70 keyboard, but it came and it was not working, so I returned it and got this Razer one from Best Buy, which I didn't get the Chroma one. I just got the regular one because they're out of the Black Widow, but I still like it. For the mouse, I just got the Death Adder. Again, I was kind of on a budget, so I didn't go with the Chroma. Kind of wish I should have, but I still like it. And then I got the Firefly from Razer from Best Buy, and that just looks amazing. And then I went with the Kraken 7.1s. They're not quite the Man of War, but they still do a great job. For the monitors, I went with 2 Asus 27-inch. I think they're 1900 by 1080. And they have the matte finish. You can't really see it right now because the screen is on, to be better on your eyes. And then, well, the little mouse pad came with the mouse, but I actually have the Firefly, so I'm not going to use that. But that is about it for the system. It runs Battlefield 1 amazing. I have no problems with it at all. And it's run pretty much everything I throw at it, so it does great for me. I'm going to start doing a lot of gameplay of Battlefield. I played a lot of it on the PS4, but I just switched over to PC, so I'm not that great yet, but me and my buddy have some good adventures, so I'm going to start uploading that. But if you have anything you want to say, I know it's kind of a short video, but thanks for watching. There's going to be a lot of gameplay coming up soon. So if you want to subscribe, that'd be awesome, or throw me a like if this even gets any views. But alright, thanks, see you later.